welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can use Google Meet in Android or iPhone or whatever smartphone you got. So what you want to do is just click on Google Meet here and I will show you everything. So the first thing you're gonna have is your Meet logo of your picture and then also microphone. You can turn the video and also microphone on and off. It's up to you. Then you're gonna select the new meeting that you can create or meeting code that if you want to join some kind of meeting. When you go in the left top corner, you're gonna see some settings and you can't do much there. And then you're gonna select your account. Now here on the right top corner, you can turn it to speaker, phone or audio off. When you're gonna join a meeting, let me show you. You can share the invite to others if you're the creator of the meeting, but if you just joined, again, you can turn the video off, turn the mic on or off, and then you get microphone here, the sound. You have chat here that you can chat with people. It's pretty simple. And then you get a three dots here. You can switch camera. You can turn on captions. You can share your screen. You can report the problem. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you actually use Google Meet on mobile. You can't do really much about it here, but that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.